Hi, I am Love, Russian Blue. My husband, a calico cat, has an eye infection. When we got to the exam room, the doctor started to examine him. After the examination, the doctor told me Calico was okay and would get better soon. And then he suddenly congratulated me on my pregnancy. Pardon? Pregnant? I'm not pregnant. In that moment, I was so angry. The doctor saw the look on my face and realized he had made a mistake. He said, "Oh, I'm so sorry. I got confused. My sincerest apologies." The doctor said he was so sorry and that he wouldn't charge me for the treatment. I was really angry, but getting free treatment at the hospital was such a huge win. My husband's eye will be better soon, and we got a free vet visit out of it. It's a sad but very lucky day.